Welcome to episode 13 of the CycleKart build, and today we'll be sorting out the adjustable pedal assembly down here. I want it to be adjustable and easily adjustable without having to reach underneath the cart to undo any bolts or nuts or anything. Also be held in with some pegs. I've started work on the pedal box assembly, and it all was based around this middle piece of rectangular tubing, which I've cut a slot out of so that it fits onto this plate. It's the same thickness as the wall of this tubing, so it sits on there nicely. And then this piece will be bolted onto the plate. This is the throttle. Will be bolted onto the plate with some bits of threaded bar which will be welded on, and then some bolts will go down the top. I still need to drill the third hole for the front of this, and then on the outside of this there'll be one piece of thin wall box tubing on one side and another on the other side, and the master cylinder and brake pedal will mount onto this one in a similar fashion to how my dad's has on the Bugatti. You can see that in there. It's just bolted on. And then that will have holes for 4 pins which will go through 2 rails which will be riveted to the cart so it can be adjustable. But the master cylinder hasn't arrived, and I still need to make a brake pedal, so that is holding up the progress. I've been continuing working on the pedal box assembly, and today I've made this mount which still needs 2 triangles welding onto the side of steel which holds the master cylinder which has just arrived. These are the 2 outputs for things. There's also a third one because it's designed for a thing with 3 brakes, 1 at the back and 2 at the front, but I'm just going to block that one off, and in this hole goes a pressure sensor for a switch, so those will be the feeds to my 2 brakes. It's got 1 reservoir for both. As you can see in there, there's a hole for each one, and this is what I've got so far.